Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by assessing your blonde base and the undertones you see. This determines the correction path. Clarify the hair to remove buildup, then apply a bond builder to strengthen fragile, lightened fibers. Once done, perform a strand test on a 1/2-inch section for 10-20 minutes to preview lift and tone response. This first actionable step tells you whether to neutralize brassiness or counter green and makes the next product choices precise rather than guesswork. You now neutralize unwanted tones using complementary color theory. Purple counters yellow, blue counters orange, red counters green. Mix a demi or demi-permanent toner with low developer, 9% 6 volume, to avoid overlifting and to deposit evenly. Apply the formula to mid-lengths first, then the roots since they process faster, and make sure to smooth product for uniform coverage. While processing, check every 5 minutes so you stop at the exact neutralization point. This prevents muddy or overtoned results. You finish by rinsing with cool water and applying a deep conditioning or bond repair treatment to restore elasticity. This protects the corrected pigments. Once conditioned, instruct to use a purple toning shampoo 1-2 times weekly to maintain neutral results, and always apply heat protectant before styling. If green or residual unwanted tone persists, apply a red-based color mask for a short contact time and reassess. If overcorrected, clarify gently and retone with a softer demi shade to balance back to desired blonde.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.